Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card is going to be using the vintage tools. I'm going to create a background with all the tools, and it's your day, and then on the inside, build in some time for yourself. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music. All the supplies I've used will be in the description box below. A card. It was quick, simple, created my own designer series paper. I wanted to keep it monochromatic, a simple little banner. It's your day. I used this punch. Always use your punch is upside down so you can line everything up. Trick of the day. And decorated the inside. And that's all I've got. I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye.